Flattish markets. The Nifty is just circling around that 5,050 level. The Sensex is down 13 points. The mid-cap index is up 1.2%. Here's Adi Godrej.
For continued strong growth in Godrej Consumer Products, both in our Indian business and our overseas business. We also announced acquisition of a Chilean company called Cosmética Nacional, which is a leader in the hair color business in Chile. Its business is in hair color as well as color cosmetics. This will be a very good acquisition for Godrej Consumer Products because it has a very strong strategic fit with our other South American businesses. It will also add considerably to our exports from Argentina and Chile to the rest of South America. We also announced a private placement to Temasek of a little less than 5% of the capital with an investment of about 685 crore rupees. We expect this to be concluded post the shareholder approval in about 2 months' time. These were the major announcements, and I would like to just add that we see very strong progress of the company going forward.
So just to begin with, if you can give us a sense of your outlook for the coming quarter. You've registered strong growth, strong volumes despite the price hikes in the past few quarters. Will we see that continue?
We expect to continue very strong growth, especially in our household insecticides business, is growing very well. We expect our international businesses to grow very strongly. And now, of course, from April onwards, we'll be consolidating the Chilean acquisition also.
Since you mentioned the international acquisition, can you tell us now how big will be the contribution from the South American business after this acquisition is completed?
Well, South America will still be a relatively small part of our portfolio, even with this third acquisition, because our major international business will be in Indonesia and in Africa. In Africa, mainly the latest acquisition, the Darling Group. And when we conclude the second phase and the third phase of the Darling acquisition, second phase will be in September 13 and the second phase will be in September 12 and the third phase will be in September 13, then the African business will add even more to our total business.
But through this acquisition, you're not just now limited to Chile, Panama or Argentina. Are you looking at rest of the countries also? What is the geography present?
We are already exporting to many other countries. Our earlier Argentinian acquisition has a major subsidiary in Uruguay. We are leaders in the hair color business. We were leaders in Argentina, Uruguay and Paraguay. Now we will also be leaders in Chile. And we have substantial business through exports in other countries in South America.
Will it be fair to assume that the money that you're raising from the preferential allotment to Temasek, almost most of it will be used for this acquisition, or will there be some left?
No, not at all. A part of it will be used for this acquisition. Most of the money we are raising from Temasek would go towards paying back our other debt and our other operational cash requirements. Our debt equity ratio as of December is around 1:1. Now with the Temasek infusion coming in, our debt equity ratio even after the Chilean acquisition will come down very considerably. We expect, it depends on the other requirements of cash, but it will come down to about 0.7:1.
Are there any synergies between the South American business now and what you have, the products that you have in India? I know you've spoken a lot about the Asian and Indian and even from Africa, but what about South America?
Yes, a lot of synergy. In fact, we are going to introduce some of our products from Argentina very soon in India, of course in the Godrej brand, the Godrej Expert brand, because Argentina is the world's leading producer. Godrej Argentina is the world's leading producer of creme colorants in sachets, which are very affordable, excellent quality, and would be ideal for the Indian market.
This will continue to be under Expert brand?
It will be under Godrej Expert brand.
Any more acquisitions on the horizon? Any more deals?
Well, we don't think we will have more acquisitions in the near future. We have made 10 acquisitions in the last 6 years. I think we're going to concentrate in absorbing these acquisitions, integrating them, getting synergistic value between these various acquisitions, not just between the international operations and India and vice versa, but also between the international operations. So for example, there's a lot of exchange of ideas between South Africa and South America. So we will concentrate on that. So I don't expect that we will be announcing any new acquisitions in the near future.
Just getting back to the
Godrej Consumer, with its numbers and recent moves, 7.5% up on that name today at 432.